Friends under my interests. Now I use It's Just Lunch. Their dating experts set up fun, hand-picked dates for me with guys I'll have something in common with. And they even make all the arrangements. So if you want to meet guys you'd love to see again, turn off your computer and call It's Just Lunch.
Call 1-800-THE-DATE. 1-800-THE-DATE. It's just lunch. The smart way to date.
A very wealthy U.S. citizen collapsed GM, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and America's biggest mall owner, General Growth Properties. In fact, Barron's called his work a dire prophecy. Recently, he created a video, which you can watch online for free.
To participate in the hydrolyzed trial and see
there, and his meetings gives the White House a window into their minds.
We gain a perspective on what they're thinking and what their ideas are in terms of the process that we've clearly called.
As Egypt's embattled President Hosni Mubarak struggles to maintain control and order amid unrest,
He'll hand over power when his term is up in September. But for so many Egyptians on the streets of Cairo and Alexandria, that's not soon enough. An extraordinary shift by the Obama administration, which urged President Mubarak to make a public pledge to his people that he wouldn't run for president again. And a monster storm brings snow, ice, brutal cold from New Mexico to Maine. 30 states facing warnings, thousands of flights already canceled. We've got the latest on this life.
Too late and completely unacceptable. I also spoke to Mohamed El-Baradei a short time ago, about an hour ago. He says it's the wolf that I had with Mohamed El-Baradei.
Dr. El-Baradei, what is your reaction to President Mubarak's address tonight?
Listen, you are in Cairo. You have seen what the city looks like, what the people want, and to continue to try to play tricks. He is unfortunately going to extend the
peaceful, and it must begin now.
If you think this is some far-off place and it doesn't matter to you, think again. The revolutionary rumblings in Egypt are rippling across the region. Jordan, for example, reshuffled its government today. Israel is
everything. And the date? Awesome. So if you want to meet women you'd love to see again, turn off your computer. It's just lunch.
1-800-THE-DATE. 1-800.
Come back, I have the rare opportunity to talk to a radical Muslim activist in London about events in Egypt. Though we may hate what he has to say, it's important to hear it. You won't want to miss this.